My top 4 things to know once you are a realtor. Once you pass your real estate exam and you are ready to get busy making money, you quickly learn you need a whole new set of skills, and there are some things that the classes did not train you on. There are obviously a lot of things to learn, but here are my top 4. Separate your money. Your business and your personal money needs to stay separate. I really recommend going to your bank today and getting a business checking account and a business savings account set up. As business owners, and yes, you own a business now, you need to track all of your work-related expenses very accurately, and there are a lot of them. The quicker you can get your recurring expenses linked to your business debit card or your business credit card, the easier it is to track so you have peace of mind is being paid from the right bucket each month. It's so much easier when you can refer to the monthly statements of only the business accounts. I print these out at the end of each month and enter them into my expense tracking worksheet that I use for all my taxes. Feel free to contact me and I'll share my spreadsheet with you. Put aside money for taxes. As you start collecting commission checks, one of the most important things you can do is be disciplined enough to set aside tax money. Your CPA, and yes, you'll probably need to talk to a CPA, can tell you what is the right percentage for you. I have heard of way too many stories from other realtors that did not do this the first year or two, and trust me, you do not want to be on the wrong side of the IRS because they can make your life very miserable when you owe them money. I personally put aside about 25% of every commission check into my business savings account for taxes. The last few years, it's actually been a little bit of excess left over, but I'd rather be safe than sorry when dealing with our government. Pay yourself a salary. Once you connect with a CPA, you should discuss with them when the right time is for you to form an LLC for your business and even what they call an S Corp. These both provide certain protections for you as the business owner and will help you be able to set up as a salaried employee of your business. I have found that my life and my personal finances run much better since my CPA convinced me to start paying myself a salary every month and leaving the assets of my business where it belongs in the business checking account. By paying yourself a salary, usually set through a payroll company, you'll be paying some of the federal taxes and unemployment tax on a monthly basis and not getting hit so hard at the end of the year. It also forces you to live on a budget that you set for your monthly salary. Real estate can have a lot of ups and downs and some months with no money coming in, so you need to make sure you keep a healthy amount of reserves to be able to run your business efficiently. Learn about SEP IRAs. It took me about 4 years until I had a financial advisor explain to me why I should be using a SEP IRA to plan for my retirement. SEP IRAs are for business owners and contributions are tax deductible. Investments grow tax deferred until retirement when distributions are taxed as income. I'm not going to pretend to know all the tiny details of it, but I can tell you that as independent contractors with no traditional 401k to plan for the future, we need to fund our own retirement plans. The SEP IRAs made sense to me once it was explained. It's actually a tax deduction for my business, plus it's money invested towards my retirement. So overall, a win-win, no-brainer. If you would like some info from my financial planner, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be glad to connect you. There is obviously many other items to learn as you actually start doing the work in real estate. I may do a follow-up video eventually on some of the other key items, but these were the ones I wish somebody would have told me earlier in my career. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you found this video informative, please like the video. Of course, I hope you also subscribe so you get updated whenever I release new content each week. Till next time, happy buying, happy selling.